In a city like Mumbai, where everybody is busy with their job, with their work, find a support system, find friends, find somebody who can help you in your difficult times. Let's talk about that. सबसे पहला पॉइंट है, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद योर फेलो एक्टर्स. अब आप अपने फेलो एक्टर्स के साथ बात कर सकते हैं कि वो मोटिवेटेड कैसे रहते हैं. आप उनके साथ ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं, ग्रुप रिहर्सल्स कर सकते हैं. वो आपको हेल्प करेगा टू इंप्रूव एज एन एक्टर एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इन गेटिंग मोटिवेटेड. Second point, which is very important, and that is find a mentor. Remember, आपकी लाइफ में, आपकी जर्नी में एक मेंटोर का होना बहुत जरूरी है, जो आपको गाइड करे और आपको हेल्प करे to become a better actor. Third point is surround yourself with positivity. I would like to start this point with a very nice quote, and that is, small minds discuss people, but great minds discuss ideas. So always surround yourself with people who are talking about ideas, who are not talking about people, who are not keeping you occupied with what this has done, what that has done, why he is working, why is he getting work. There is so much negativity in these talks, and you need to come out of that in order to become a better actor. And most importantly, you need to get yourself positive in these tough situations also. What you can do is, you can talk to your family, you can talk to your old friends on a daily basis.